old physician and microbiologist named Alexander Fleming joins the Royal Army Medical Corps. During his service, Fleming was surprised to notice that most of the deaths were not from bullets or shrapnel, but from the wounds infected by bacteria. After the end of the Great War, Fleming returns to St. Mary's Hospital to concentrate on his research on microbiology. To relax from the hectic routine, he took a break to spend time with his family. Returning from vacation, he noticed that some of the microbacterial sample that he left at the corner of his laboratory have been contaminated with fungus. Out of curiosity, he observed further and noticed that the bacteria was being immediately destroyed by the fungal activities. And this is how, on September 28, 1928, he accidentally finds penicillium, the bacteria killer that revolutionized medical science. Although he published his findings in 1929, he was unable to purify the unstable compound for clinical use. During that time, Fleming sent his penicillium mold to anyone who requested it, in the hopes that they might isolate penicillin for medical application. With the effort of two great researchers named Florey and Jane, his dream finally came true. They were able to mass-produce penicillin as a remedy to bacterial infection.
Dr. Fleming, the man who made the golden era of antibiotics possible, cautioned that we had better not squander our advantage.
He warned as early as 1945 that misuse of these drugs or overuse of these drugs could lead to resistance emerging, and he was certainly correct.
Studying the appearance of staphylococcal colonies. That staphylococcus is the microbe that gives us boils and carbuncles. Now, as bacteriologists, we grow our microbes on little flat dishes. Now we grow them on a jelly which is put on the bottom of the dish here, and the microbes are spread on that jelly with a wire. And
after discovering that his accidental mold contaminant was extremely effective against all gram-positive pathogens, which were known to be responsible for diseases such as yellow fever, pneumonia, gonorrhea, meningitis, and diphtheria. He further discerned that it was not the mold itself that did the killing, but some juice the mold produced that had killed the surrounding bacteria. When I woke up just after sunrise on September 28, 1928, he would later recall, I certainly didn't plan to revolutionize all medicine by discovering the world's first antibiotic.